Heart sounds are the vibration sets up by the flow of the blood, turbulent flow of the blood, or by the closure of the valves, or by any other abnormal flow in the heart. Can be heard over the chest with the help of stethoscope or phonocardiograph, are known as the cardiac sounds. Sounds can be physiological or pathological. Basically, we have four heart sounds can be heard over the chest with the help of stethoscope, out of which two are very prominent, first and second heart sounds. As we know the cardiac cycle, already we discussed in the previous videos, and the first heart sound can be heard at the isovolumetric contraction phase because of the closure of the AV valves. So the AV valve closure can produce the first heart sound. So the first heart sound can be recorded here, which coincides the isovolumetric contraction phase, and then the second heart sound can be heard by the closure of semilunar valves. So the semilunar valves closes as the pressure drops in the ventricle than the atria in the protodiastole of the isovolumetric relaxation phase, which coincides over here. And the third heart sound can be heard at the rapid filling phase of the ventricle, and usually seen in the children, and ventricular dilation or systolic failure. So he is coinciding here. And then the fourth heart sound can be heard the immediately preceding to the first heart sound. So here, which coincides the atrial systole. So usually seen in the normal individual, otherwise decreasing the complaints of the ventricle or ventricular hypertrophy, and ischemic ventricle produces the fourth heart sound, S4. S1, S2, S3, S4. So this is how the heart sounds can be heard with the different phases of the cardiac cycle, as the pressure drops and increases in the ventricle as well as atria and great vessels. There is a split gap between the aortic and pulmonary valve closure, because our aortic pressure is very high than the pulmonary pressure. So here the diastolic pressure is 80, here diastolic pressure is 9. So because of high pressure, the aortic valve closes very rapidly than the pulmonary valve. There is a split gap between two valvular closure during the S2 or second sound, which around 0.04 second. This is how the heart sounds can be heard with the different phases of the cardiac cycle, with the normal situation or abnormal situation. We'll be talking about the murmurs in the next class.